Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Buick Verano shift knob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, a new shift knob, and possibly a trim removal tool. Make sure your Buick Verano is in park and the engine is completely off to ensure your safety throughout the process. It's also a good idea to quickly review any instructions that came with your new shift knob, as some might have unique installation steps. This preparation will make the replacement much smoother. Now let's get that old shift knob off. Look for a small retaining clip or screw, usually located at the base of the knob or under a small trim piece. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry off any surrounding trim, being careful not to scratch the console. Once exposed, you might need to unscrew the knob counterclockwise or firmly pull it straight up. Take your time and avoid excessive force to prevent damage to the shifter mechanism. With the old knob removed, it's time for the upgrade. Take your new shift knob and carefully align it with the shifter shaft. If it's a screw-on type, turn it clockwise until it's snug. For push-on knobs, apply firm, even pressure straight down until it seats properly. Make sure it feels secure and doesn't wobble. Finally, snap any trim pieces back into their original positions, ensuring they are flush and secure. Before you hit the road, perform a quick check. With the engine off, move the shifter through all its gear positions, park, reverse, neutral, drive, and low, to ensure the new knob doesn't interfere with anything and operates smoothly. Confirm it's still securely attached and feels comfortable in your hand. You've successfully replaced your shift knob. Also, for an amazing home upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.